Hello, my name is Ana Suárez Álvarez and I am from the Department of Applied Economics at University of Oviedo. This work is co-authored with 3 other colleagues, also from the Department of Applied Economics of the University of Oviedo. So, in this poster, we present a teaching innovation project focused on the use of AI-generated commit vignettes to support the teaching of probability in economics and business degrees. Probability is often perceived by students as one of the most difficult topics. Interestingly, the main difficulty is usually not performing calculation, but identifying which probabilistic model applies to a given situation. Because probability theory is highly abstract, many students struggle to move from real context to formal models. In this context, the objective of this project is to explore whether AI-generated commit vignettes can help students during the initial interpretation of probabilistic situations. The aim is not to simplify mathematics, but to facilitate the transition from intuitive reasoning to formal probability models without reducing the mathematical rigor. Its probability model is introduced using a recurrent 3-step teaching approach. Firstly, students are shown a commit vignette representing an everyday or economic situation. Secondly, a guide discussion takes place to identify the random phenomenon. And finally, the corresponding formal probability model is introduced. This sequence is applied consistently across different probability distributions. In this poster, we present 2 illustrative examples of commit vignettes to introduce some models. The first one is to introduce the geometric distribution, and the other one is to introduce the Poisson distribution. So these examples show how different probabilistic models can emerge naturally from intuitive real-world contexts. Each vignette is designed to illustrate a single probabilistic concept. The contexts are familiar to economic and business students, and visual complexity is deliberately kept low. The illustrations are generated using AI tools, while all pedagogical decisions remain under stricter control. In practice, the vignettes are presented at the beginning of each topic, before any formulas appear. They are later uploaded at the virtual learning environment, in our case the virtual campus, and used by students as revision materials throughout the course. We evaluate the effectiveness of this approach using students' questionnaires and by comparing exam results with previous cohorts. We expect students to better identify probability models, be more engaged, and achieve better results in probability-related questions thanks to these vignettes. And overall, this project proposed a low-cost and easily replicable teaching strategy that combines AI tools and visual narratives to support learning in quantitative subjects. Thank you.